Hi, welcome to another video. I previously frosted the glass in these cabinets, but what I'm going to do now is get rid of the cabinet on the right and keep the one on the left. I'll be painting it the same colour as the walls, and I'm also going to be replacing the glass in the cabinet with a piece of thin plywood. We're going to be taking the cabinet from looking like this to looking like this, and I'll show you exactly how I'm going to do it. Okay, let's pull the cabinets forward. I'll strip the cabinet and empty everything out of it. I'm going to take the hardboard from the back of this cabinet that we're going to be throwing out, and I'll repurpose it for the doors. One side of the hardboard is really smooth and looks quite good, and that's going to be the side that's going to be facing out. I'll remove the glass and I'll replace it with that. By keeping this cabinet, it should end up looking like a fitted unit because it sits flush in this alcove. Then it'll be painted the same colour as the walls. I'm going to use a Farrow ball dead flat paint. That's the name of it, and it's very dark and it's got a hint of blue. Right, let's get started by taking the cabinet doors off. I'm just using an electric screwdriver to unscrew them, and then I'm going to leave the hinges on the cabinet itself. Now I'm going to take the glass out. I'm using a flat metal scraper as it's really thin just to get underneath the beading. Then I'm using a screwdriver to gently lever it out. Now I just need to remove the panel pins and nails. I'm using pliers and levering this against my screwdriver to pull them out. Here's the Farrow ball paint, and it's called Dead Flat. Right, let's open it and see what it's like. Well, it is very dark. In this light you can see there's quite a blue tone to it. I've now painted the cupboard with a primer undercoat, ready for the top coat. It will be the same colour as the walls. The drawers are all masked up and I've primed them as well. That's the old cabinet. I've just painted the drawer in that one just to make it a bit easier. Here's one coat of the Dead Flat on the cabinet, and as you can see it's a bit patchy, so I'll definitely need a second coat. I've also painted the drawer fronts as well. Now to remove the glass from the cabinet doors. I've tried tapping it out with a bit of wood and a hammer, but it wasn't budging. It's just popped out a bit in the corner, which is fine, but I'll need a bit more wangling to get it out. Okay, quick update. I've found a much easier way. I'm using 3 pieces of wood, 2 underneath and 1 in the middle to wedge it. By pressing the bit of wood in the middle, it forces the frame slightly apart and the glass just pops out. That's much easier. Now it's time to remove the hardboard from the back of the old cabinet. I'll cut it to size to fit in the doors. I'm using the glass as a template. I'm drawing around this to get exactly the right size. Now I'll cut it with a circular saw. I'm cutting right on the line. That will make sure that the hardboard is exactly the same size as a bit of glass. Right, let's see if it fits. I'll push one end in first, along the longest edge, and then it just clicks into place. Where the beading used to hold the glass at the top, either side, I'm not going to put that back. Instead, I'm just going to glue the hardboard because it's not as heavy as the glass and it should stay in place. Right, now I've prepped the doors in the same way I did the cabinet, just lightly sanding it, giving it an undercoat and then a top coat. Okay, I brought them in here and I've done 1 coat and let it dry overnight. So let's do the top coat, see what it looks like. The top coat is going on really nicely. The Farrow ball paint applies really smoothly. It's looking good. I'm going to do the other side now. Okay, that's that done, but it just needs another coat. You can see it's a little bit patchy in places, so I'll give it another final coat. Okay, that's both doors painted, dry and ready to be refitted. I'll screw them back in place. Right, now that's everything back. As you can see, the cupboard looks great. It looks like a fitted cupboard in the alcove. Farrow and Bald Dead flat paint looks great. It's very dark, but it has got a slight blue tone to it. The cabinet blends in really well. You can hardly see it. Where's it gone? Can't see it in this shot. It completely matches the wall. It contrasts nicely with the white and the yellow as well. Here is a before and after shot of the cabinet. As you can see, it's looking quite black. It's what they call colour drenched. This took a few days to do, but at least that's another job done. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY and other videos.